If you're experiencing billing problems on Facebook, follow these steps to resolve the issues effectively. This guide will help you navigate through the process. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review billing history. Access your billing history to identify any discrepancies. Look for any charges that seem incorrect or unfamiliar and take note of them for further investigation. Step 3. Contact Facebook support. If you find an error or cannot resolve the issue on your own, reach out to Facebook support. Use the Help Center to submit a support request detailing your billing problem. Step 4. Follow up on your request. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email for any responses from Facebook. They may require additional information or provide instructions on how to proceed. Step 5. Monitor your account. Once the issue is resolved, regularly monitor your account and billing statements to ensure no further problems arise. This will help you catch any issues early on. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve any billing problems you encounter on Facebook. Stay proactive in managing your account to avoid future issues.